What's going on, guys? Connor Chapman back with another video for you today. In this one, we're going to be talking about how to sell women's leather products on Facebook. Now, it's a very unique video, and it's something that I don't have a ton of experience in selling, leggings and specifically a leather product. But I think this is a perfectly positioned niche store that you guys can create and do extremely well in, because I'm not seeing anyone really go into this market. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. I'm going to be going super in depth on how you can run your Facebook ads, how you can set up your store, and exactly what targeting to use, and how to create your video ads. So if you guys enjoy this video, go ahead and smash a like on this video. There's going to be a giveaway for this video as well. So how you need to enter the giveaway is to, number one, like the video, number two, make sure you're subscribed, and number three, comment free value. You can use a hashtag if you want. Just comment down below free value, and you'll be entered to win the giveaway. I'm going to be picking the giveaway in next week's video, so make sure you stay tuned on that one. All right, go ahead and cue the intro. So looking up the Google Trends for this product, leggings, you can see, and this is pulled up over the year. In January, its search interest was at 60, and now its search interest is at 75, so it has increased. You guys know I love looking at Google Trends. It gives you an idea of kind of what the search volume is on the product, if people are looking at it, and how much people really want it. So the product that I would recommend you guys sell are these black leather pants for women. The reason is it has 21,000 orders, it's got 7,000 reviews, and it's 4.7 stars. This is the product that I initially would recommend you use as your cold traffic ad to get people into your store. And then when they get into your store, that's where you're going to actually sell them on your other products that are in there, okay? And that's how you're going to make so much money, is because your store, as I'm going to explain in a second, is going to be set up with multiple products in there, and that's why you're going to crush it, because you're going to have a competitive advantage. You're going to look like all you sell is these leather products. So this is the first one you're going to use to pull people in terms of the cold traffic. The second one is this jacket. Now this jacket, when I just searched in, leather jacket, this was one of the top listings at over 5,000 orders. Now it has a bunch of different sizes, and the one thing I will tell you guys as a warning here, warning, is sizes on AliExpress for clothing, shoes, whatever it may be, is a little bit off. So what I'd recommend you do is maybe even order one of these and try it to make sure that the sizing seems correct, or ask them, hey, should the customers order a size up? What's the actual sizing? Because generally AliExpress sizing will run small, so you need to make sure you check with the supplier, and I'd recommend you message all these different suppliers to confirm that sizing, because the last thing you want in a clothing product is returns. So the reason I'm talking to you guys so much about this fashion brand and this apparel product is because there's a study put out by statistic.com that 50% of global internet users had purchased fashion-related products through the internet. That's why apparel is the most popular online shopping category worldwide. Pretty crazy, right? So that's why I'm showing you guys this, because over 50% of people purchase stuff online was through a apparel or a fashion brand. Pretty nuts. So why not go ahead and tap into the largest market here, Fourth product that I would do is this leather dress. Now it has a lot less orders, but I think that this product would do very well. It's actually only black. I don't know why it shows a different color here, but the product's only black here. It would do really well because it just it's a leather product. It helps add that brand loyalty and that brand trust with your customers, because you look more official if you're selling multiple black leather related products rather than just that one jacket or the one legging or the one dress. So it's all about the branded feel. It's all about the niche store and creating something that looks like it's a brand. And then the final thing to add on, and I'd add this leather wallet on as kind of like an upsell, or you could do it as a free gift if someone orders over $50, something like that. But the black leather wallet is a great little touch. Women always need wallets, purses, and I think this is not a bad looking one. It had the most reviews, had the most orders, and at a 4.6 star rating. It's definitely an option for you to add onto your store. So now exactly how you can sell these leather products for women. For the store creation, I would create a branded store that sells only high quality leather products for women, and this is going to be your niche. So it could be leather only, or women's leather, something related to that, like leather lovers. I don't know, I'm just brainstorm names. So one thing I do a lot of the time if I can't come up with a store name is I will just go to thesaurus.com/browse/synonym, and I'll just type in leather and see if I can come up with some common names. So Obviously this maybe doesn't work the best. Maybe let's think of something else like be good. Like let's do like fashion maybe. So fad leather, trend leather, that's a potential. Chick leather, I think that would be good. I don't know if chick leather is a thing. So chick leather is an Etsy shop. Yeah, leatherchick.com. So someone's clearly been doing this, but they're not really selling everything you're selling. So what I do is, yeah, do something similar to this, like maybe women. Use synonyms to try and come up with different ideas. You know, it could be leather, it could be dress, right? It could be something like dress. See what pops up. Costume, robe, attire. So it could literally be like leatherattire.com. That's a potential, right? Leather attire. Yeah, so I don't even think leatherattire.com is taken. So that's a potential for you that you could use is leatherattire.com. You know, leather threads. I think that sounds really cool, honestly. Leather threads. Let's see if leather threads is taken. Yep, leather threads looks like it's not taken. So that's a perfect address for you guys to use. No excuse for you not to create this brand right now. Now, moving on to the ads. For the ads, what I do is I would buy and ship all 4 of these products to a trusted influencer on Instagram that has less than 100,000 followers. Now, I'm going to record my screen right now and show you guys exactly how to do this. Okay, now I'm inside my phone, as you guys can see up here on the screen. And what we're going to do is we're just going to search for some influencers. So I'll just do like, we'll just do like beauty influencers, and we'll just go to accounts. We'll see kind of what accounts pop up. Just click on this. Beauty nurse, cosmetic nurse injector, probably not what we want. Women's fashion, so this has 35,000. What you can do is you can click on some of the people that are on here. So women's fashion, this doesn't look like an actual person, right? We want to make sure we find an actual person. So this person, Alyssa Garcia, makeup artist, hairstylist. This is someone that I would definitely message because you know they're under 100,000 followers. You could probably ship this to them, but if you're in the US, you want to find a US influencer as well. So this is a possibility for one. We'll try and find a different one that's not a page. So we can go by tags. We can do tags of beauty, and sometimes when you see this, you'll see people posting beauty things here, and sure enough, this person here, fitness model, 4,000 followers, less than 100K. And it looks like they are posting some, fashion and fitness related content, which I think would do great, honestly. Like the fact that this is an influencer who's posting fitness related content is great. You could definitely give them these products. They could record videos of these and, take photos of each of these products. And what it's going to happen is these are going to be your Facebook ads. So, in a matter of, what was that, like 2-3 minutes, I went on my phone and I found influencers. You guys, it's not that hard. Find an influencer, message them. I'd recommend messaging at least 10 influencers for a fashion product like this one, because that's going to allow you to check the pricing, make sure that you're not getting scammed, making sure that they're legit, and making sure that, whatever, you're offering to them of, hey, I'll give you all these products for free. And also if you can take a video and photos, just make sure you build a good rapport with them because you might be using them later on. And now it comes with a price. And don't quote me on this, but most people, in my opinion, working with will not do this for free. If you're asking them to record videos, whether it's a selfie or just take photos of it, it's not going to be for free. So I'd really recommend you come up front and say that you'll pay them at least, $50 to $100. You guys pick what you want to do. But that's going to not only save you from getting your Facebook profile banned from copying other people's ads, but you're going to be using your own videos, your own photos. It's going to be new footage that nobody has seen. Facebook rewards new footage. People love seeing new things. We get sick of the same things. Why do you think there's a new iPhone every 6 months, right? We get tired of the old things. We want new things. We want new. The latest and greatest is what we always want. So I would negotiate a price of anywhere from $50 to $100 with this new new product and new footage that you're going to be putting out to the masses. And that's taking your business to the next step, right? No longer can you offer 20-day shipping times to your customers. Sure, you can try and do it, but I almost guarantee your Facebook page is going to get shut down. You'll run into so many issues. So this is what I really recommend with doing, getting custom content. Moving on to targeting, I recommend doing 18 plus women, mobile only. Search for fashion brands, makeup brands, designer brands, reality TV shows, Kardashians, Sephora, Ulta Beauty, stuff like that. Those interests would do really, really well with a product like this. I've told you guys a trending product. I've told you how to create the niche. I've told you what products to add on this niche. I've even gone as far as show you the influencers and given you guys a domain name to use for this store. I have videos on my YouTube about how to create an entire niche store. So if you're stuck there, you don't know, you say, hey Connor, how do I create a store? Go ahead and check out those videos. I show you exactly. I walk you through step by step, A to Z, how to run it all, and I show you how to set up the Facebook ads. So there should be no reason for you guys watching my videos not to go get this done. All right. I want to see somebody make a store. I want to see somebody DM me on Instagram and say, hey Connor, I created a store. I got my first sale. All right. If that's you, that's amazing. I mean, I'd honestly hop on a call with you just for the sake, if you open a store like this with some of these products and you get sales, that would be amazing. That would mean the world to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, there is a giveaway on this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment free value down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. As always, keep your mind right. Peace.